Does it happen to you sometimes that you have a certain goal in mind, like getting a specific client? And that's something that I had in my mind when this happened, and it happened in the past as well. So you're trying to get this specific client, and you have to do a presentation or a demo or something big. You have to write a little pitch or an ebook, sometimes if you have to generate leads or something. And does it happen to you that you know you have to do that and yet you don't do it? And I was thinking, why does that happen to us sometimes? Because it's not hard. It's you love your business, you love your product, you believe in it. Writing that pitch or something, it comes naturally. And then I realized that the only reason for which that actually happens is because maybe we have failed in the past. So if you did the same thing, if you did a demo, if you did a presentation and it didn't work for you, and maybe you did it multiple times and it didn't work for you, then right now when you have to do something again similar, a certain resource or something, it's not that it's hard for you to do it. It's not that you don't like to do it. But in your mind, you may find yourself, just like me sometimes, believing that it's not going to work again. And if that is your case, I just want to remind you that the first thing that you have to do is think about it. What is the belief behind that thing that you behind the issue that you're having? So if there's something that you want to do and you find yourself that that you're not doing it, is it possible that you failed in the past and you think you're going to fail again? And if indeed that is it, I want you to think about this. One of the key things that everybody successful have in common, one of the key things that people have in common, they're successful, is the fact that they failed many, 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 many times. They failed, they got up, and they tried again, and they tried again, and they tried again. Moreover, they didn't fail, got up, and did something completely different. They try again until they made that thing work. If that is something that is globally and completely and across time true, you have to learn to believe that yourself. Don't beat yourself. Just understand that it's normal. It's how it's supposed to be. Think about it, believe that, and let this failure, when it happens, fill you with strength and power and say, yes, this proves to me that I'm on my way to success. Okay? If you change that belief that is triggering the blockage for you, then you're going to find yourself that you're going to do it after all. Because you believe that it's normal for you to try and sometimes fail. And 99 times it may fail and 100 times it's going to work. So don't give up, okay? If something doesn't work, see what's holding you back, what's the belief behind it. And if it's failure, it's normal for you to fail. Go try it again and again and again. See you guys.